All right, good morning, geometry guys. We are coming back at a Monday, which means we have to start over with learning how to behave. We actually did have a couple of good days right in a row last week with behavior. It was pretty awesome. So I don't know if it was because certain people were out or not, but yeah, nobody tried to hit me today. I almost got hit Thursday. I actually had to use my red pool noodle on somebody's windshield. They were looking around for farm day like they've never seen a farm day before and like almost hit me. So, all right. Surface area of a pyramid. Okay. So, this is the formula. Okay. H is the slant height. It's going to be really easy to tell what the slant height is because it's always going to be on a slant. All right. So our H right here is 10 centimeters. Our B right here is 6 centimeters. 10, 6, and 6. So you can actually plug this into the calculator as is. Okay, now that's why the notes are set up this way. Now, let's not. All right. And we'd get 156 centimeters what? Squared, because it's area. Now, with example B, all right, no, you don't have all those little blanks to fill in, but it's the same process. What is our slant height? 16. All right. Our base would be 8. Now, so that's what we have. Oops, that's my email. I think it's interesting, like when some people do stuff like on a computer, they're like, "Oh, I can't write anything down." You can. You're. You know. It's 8 squared. All right, so we would get 320 feet squared. Now, if this seems kind of simplistic, that is the goal, okay? In years past, when I've had to do this as a student, I've had to teach this as a teacher, the formulas that we used were not very easy. Okay? Luckily, things have, advanced since then, and it's a little bit more simplistic. Okay? All right, are we good with the examples A and B? Does anybody need more time? All right. So, all right, surface area of a cone. Here's the formula, okay? But when you go to plug it in, I would actually wait. I wouldn't type in pi in my calculator. I would plug it in later, okay? R is our radius. Our radius right here is 2 inches. All right, slant height. It's always slanted, okay? So this would be 2 squared and then 2 and 7. All right. So 2 squared plus 2 times 7. All right. So we would get 18 pi inches squared. Okay. And if we were doing this one for D here, radius is 9 feet. Our slant height is 11 feet. All right. So if I was typing this in my calculator, I would do it like this. Make sure you know those are parentheses. All right. And then I would put my pi in here later. Plus all right, so we would get 180 pi feet squared. Okay, now as I stated earlier, this is a short lesson. We only have 6 practice problems, not more than that, not less. We have 3 of the pyramids, 3 of the cones. Okay, there are still some people that still even won't write it down even after it's just shown. But, all right, so for those around the world, don't forget, hit like or subscribe with the bell. Good stuff, good things, Roll Tide.